back students, and welcome back to my channel Math Experts. And in this video we are going to start with the chapter factorization, and this is the first video of this chapter factorization. And in this factorization chapter we are dealing with the sums using algebraic identities. So in this chapter we will require these three formulas to do the sums. So the first formula which we will require is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, for a minus b whole square we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third formula that we will require is a square minus b square, whose formula is a plus b and a minus b. These are the three formulas that you need to learn by heart along to do the sums of factorization using algebraic identities. Student, let's start discussing the sums using this formula. Here is the first formula that we will require is given here is x square plus 14x plus 49. We have to disintegrate this full sum in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in the respective sum, x square can be written as x square and 49 can be written as plus 7 whole square. So here a is x and b is 7. So we break the 2ab form as 2 into x into 7. So the formula becomes x square plus 2 into x into 7 plus 7 square, whose respective formula is a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is 7. So the answer becomes x plus 7 whole square. It can be again disintegrated as x plus 7 into x plus 7, which is the required answer. Next sum we have 9y square minus 30y plus 25. First we need to understand that 9y square means what? 9y square means it's 3y whole square. So 9y square can be written as 3y whole square. Similarly, we can write the 25 as 5 whole square. So we got the value of a as 3y and b as 5. So the respective formula becomes 2 into minus 2 into a becomes 3y and b is 5. So the whole formula becomes as a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So the whole formula is of a minus b whole square, where a is 3y and b is minus 5 whole square, which is the required answer. Student, you have to learn the formulas first in order to do the sums easily. So let's proceed further. Here is the third number sum, which is given as 9x square plus 66xy plus 121y square. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, and similarly 121. As you can see, the students, that first we are taking the square of this number first, and then we are writing the square of the last one, and then we are getting the value of a and b, and we are putting the values of a and b here and getting the respective answer. So here a equals to 3x and b equals to 11y. Then 2ab becomes as plus 2 into this plus is this plus, it comes down with, and this 66xy is disintegrated in the form of 2a and b. So a becomes 3x. From here we get the value of a as 3x and b as 11y. So the whole formula, this formula becomes of which one? It becomes as a plus b whole square formula. Students, I have not stated the formula here, right here. So you have to write which formula you are taking and reducing this one or deducing this one. So the formula here becomes as 3x plus 11y whole square, which is the required answer. Let's proceed further, students. This is a very important sum, 4 number sum. It is stated here as a to the power 4 plus 6a square b square and plus 9b to the power 4. First we have to find a, then we have to find b. A to the power 4 can be written as a square square, a square to the power square, and then 9b to the power 4 can be written as 9 is a square of 3, then it can be written as 3b square to the power square. So the value of a becomes a square here, b becomes 3b square. So we get the values of, we substitute the values of a and b in the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here 2ab means 2 into a is a square and b is 3b square. So the formula here becomes, this will be there, this 2 is been written more, so this 2 will be there, it will become as 3 into 2 6 a square b square, which is the required this one, and this is the whole formula of a square plus b square 1. This is the a square plus b, that is whole square. This is the required answer. Let's proceed further, students. This is the fifth sum that we are doing, and this one is a very important sum, students, as because this sum will require the third formula that we have stated earlier in the video when I have started and told you that these three formulas you will require in order to do the sums. So you have to split according to the formula which you have learned. First you have to understand that which formula is suiting the respective sum, and then you have to start. So look at the sum first very easily. The sum has been given as 25a square. So we can write 25a square as 5. 5 is this 5 square is 25. So 25 is the square of 5. So a square can be written as a, that is 5a whole square, minus 64 is the square of 8, that can be written as 8b whole square, and it has been splitted as a square minus b square, and the formula of a square minus b square is, sorry, it will be minus here, students, it will be a square minus b square, and the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we substitute the values of a and b in the respective formula and get the value as 5a plus 8b, 5a minus 8b, which is the required answer. Similarly, in the next sum we will write this one as, it will be given as 6 number sum, that is 81x square minus 90xy plus 25y square. So 81, first we will write the square root of this one and then the last one. From this two we will get the values of a and b, and we substitute the values of a and b in the form of 2 into a plus a into b. So we get as 81 can be written as 81x square can be written as 9x whole square. Similarly, 25xy square can be written as 5y whole square. So we get the values of a and b as a is 9x, b is 5y, and we substitute the value of a and b in the form of minus 2ab in the respective sum, and we get as minus 2 into a into b, means a means 9x and b means 5y, and we get the respective values as in the form of a minus b whole square. So here a is 9x, b is 5y, and the whole formula is a minus b, that is a minus b, by b means 5y whole square, and the whole square 9x minus 5y whole square means the number which is multiplied 2 times, and here the number is 9x minus 5y, that's why we have written 9x minus 5y 2 times, which is the required answer. This is the 7th sum, students, and in the 7th sum it has been given as 16x square minus 1 by 144. 16x square can be written as 4x whole square, and 1 by 144 can be written as 1 by 12 whole square. And now we can see that it has been stated in the form of a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b, where the respective value of a is 4x and b is 1 by 12. So we substitute the values of a and b and get the respective answer. So students, those who are looking for the first time, please try to subscribe my channel and do let me know that which sum are you facing problem. I will be very happy to know that if you comment in the comment box, and do let me know. I will try to solve the sums as easy as possible, which will be suitable for you. Okay, let's proceed further. This is the 8th sum that I am dealing, and in this sum it has been stated that 2a plus 3b whole square minus 16c whole square. See, this one is already in the form of a square. We take this 2a plus 3b as whole a, so we can write that 2a plus 3b whole square, and 16c whole square means what? 16c whole square can be written as 4c whole square. So this formula is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Here the value of a is a, that is whole a is 2a plus 3b and b is 4c. So the formula is a plus b. A means 2a plus 3b is a, plus for that formula, and this is the respective value of 4b. B is 4c. Similarly the minus 1. So this is the respective answer. Student, you have to learn the formulas first in order to do the sum by heart. If you don't learn the formula, then you won't be able to identify which formula is going to take the same replica of this one. If you learn the formula, then it will be very easy for you. See, in the next sum, it has been stated as 1 minus b minus c whole square. So b minus c can be taken as whole b, and 1, and we all know that the square of 1 is 1. So it has been stated as 1 square minus b minus c whole square. Again, this is in the formula of a square minus b square. A square, a value is 1, and b square means minus b square means b minus c is the whole b. So the whole formula becomes as 1 plus b minus c, 1 minus b minus c. And if we remove the brackets, we get the formula as 1 minus b minus plus and c. This is the required answer. See students, I will be dealing with many more sums in this video, and I will try to let you know that if you face any problem regarding any sum that I am dealing in this video, try to ask your problems in the comment box. I will be telling you the simplest way of how to learn these sums, or rather how to do these sums easily. And the next sum can be written as 9 into x plus x whole square. Sorry, it will be not x, it will be y. X plus y whole square minus x square. See, 9 x plus y whole square can be written as 9 is the square of 3, and this x plus y can be written as whole square. Now it is in the formula of a plus b and a minus b. See, then a plus b into a minus b, we have written this one. Then we have multiplied the form 3, this scalar 3 with this x plus y, we get 3x plus 3y, and this plus x comes down. Similarly, in this bracket we will do the same one. We will multiply 3 with x first, and then plus comes down, and 3 into y is 3y minus x. So 3x plus x is 4x, and plus 3y comes down, and 3x minus x is 2x, and 3y, it will be y, 3y comes down, which is the respective answer. This is the important sum, students, and this sum here it been given in the form of a square minus b square. So first we will try to break the sum in the form of a plus b whole square minus a square a plus b whole square. So the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a square means 2m square, that means 4m square. The square of 3n is 9n square, and we get the value of a as 2m and 3n. So plus 2 into 2m into 3n gives us 12mn. Similarly, in this bracket also we will proceed in the same manner. We will get the value of a square as 3m square, that is 9m square, b as 4n square, and the value of plus 2a into b, a is 3m and b is 2n. So 2mn means this one plus 12mn. Now we will remove the brackets and write this whole value up to 12mn, which can be written as in the same manner, and here in this bracket we will write the values using the signs. 9mn plus minus 4m square plus minus 12mn. See, 12mn and 12mn get cancelled, and we get the values as 4m square plus 9n square minus 9m square minus 4n square. So 4m square and 9m square gives us minus m square, 9n square minus 4n gives us 5n square. Now we can take the 5 out common from here, and we can get n square minus m square. And we know that this formula of n square minus m square gives us m plus n minus m. It can be written as n plus m also, or you can write this as m plus n also. Both of them gives you the same value. But since it has been n is in the earlier position than m, so we write n plus m into n minus m, which is the required answer. Let's proceed further, students. In this video, I have dealt till now 8 sums, rather 10 sums. So students, do please carefully look at the sums. This will be very helpful for you if you try to memorize the formulas and do note it in a copy and do your sums easily. Okay, let's proceed further. Similarly, here also we will do in the same manner. Here first we will make sure that what is the square of 25. 25 is the square of 5. So we can write this one as 5a plus b whole square. Similarly, 16 is the square of 4. So we write this one as 4 into a minus b whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now we will multiply 5 with this one and get 5a plus 5b. Similarly, 4 we will multiply with this one and we get 4a minus 4b. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, and the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So here a is 5a plus 5b, and no, this won't be there. It will be 5a plus 5b plus 4a minus 4b. Similarly here 5a plus 5b minus 4a minus 4b. Why this is happening? As because the value of a, whole a, is 5a plus 5b and whole b is 4a minus 4b. So a plus b into a minus b. And now we will take a common out, remove the brackets, and we will get this one. And now we will add the a with a and b with b. Similarly here we will add or minus. Here it is be stated that 5a plus 4a gives us 9a. 5a minus 4b gives us 1t, not ft, it will be 1t or rather t. Here 5a minus 4a gives us a, and here 5b plus 4b gives us 9b. So it will be b, 9b, not t. So this one will also be, not ft. Okay student, which is a required answer. Now let's proceed further. This sum is also in the same manner. I think you can do this sum. Do take a screenshot of this one and do let me know whether you have understood this sum or not. This sum and this sum are similar. If you have understood this one, I think you can also do this sum by your own. Thank you students. This was my last video. So factorization, try to memorize the formulas and do these sums, and I have stated that each and every sum is important one. Okay, thank you. Do subscribe my channel, do share with your friends, and do let me know in the comment box in the next video which topic you all are wanting to do, and it will be very helpful for me to know from you all. Thank you.